Okay, so let's start that. What I'm saying to the let's use to the mouse over also and mouse out also means together both. Now see, we are going to the again back to our code. Okay, mouse over is already present. Let me put it over here. Mouse out on mouse out. See this one. Okay, after that, I'm writing inside of the quotation console. I want to send the message on console, means in developer mode. Console log inside of the bracket and inside of the parenthesis, I want to say mouse the outside. Okay, I rotated that. Now let's go control S save. I am going back again to my over here. See right now when I'm watch over here in this console. Okay, and watch over here. So when I'm taking to the my cursor inside of the control, you can see mouse over, and when I'm taking to the outside, you can see mouse out. You can see when I'm taking, it's in, it's out, it's in, it's out, it's in, it's out, right? So like that we can just tracking that our events which one gave by our mouse, right? So this is called exactly the event listener, right? After mouse in and mouse out done, after what, drag, means when I'm starting to the dragging. Let's check, we are writing over here on drag. Okay, just we need to change that. For over here I'm erasing this all stuff whatever we have. Okay, I'm erasing all stuff instant from over here. Okay, and I'm writing inside of that on drag. Okay, on drag inside I want to like that, I want to write that console. I want to send the message on console. Okay, dot log. Okay, and inside of the parenthesis I can say that a dragging. Okay, I'm starting to the dragging. Right now, let's check over here. We are writing perfectly. Okay, dragging and draggable is equal to true. Means this is just a Boolean value we need to say when we are starting to the dragging. We need to show to the dragging at least. Okay, now let's go over here. Dragging spelling. Let me check that dragging spelling correct. Okay, dragging spelling. And after that, I want to say that it's a draggable, and though not false, I want to say true because I want to drag. Okay, control S save. Now we are going to again back to our code editor. Right now, see when I'm going and when I'm outing, there is no any movement, right? Isn't it? But when I am holding that, see I'm holding that, and when I am start to the dragging, see it's dragging, isn't it? See when I'm removing that. See when I'm releasing that, there is no any dragging. See again when I'm starting to hold that, you can see dragging is started, isn't it? When I'm holding that, so when I'm releasing that, what, dragging is stop. So this is called the dragging. Okay, now again what, dragging done. After that we have to the on drag start. We can check that we can, when we are putting to the on drag start, it will be showing to the I'm starting to dragging. When I'm putting over here, when I'm release that, it will be showing to the end of the dragging. Now let's do that. Just I want to change the not on drag. We need to put what, on drag start. Okay, on drag start. Okay, and I want to say in between, in middle between that, what, dragging. Okay, start dragging ging start. Okay, and I'm writing another event listener that is called what. Okay, give me the second. Okay, so sorry for disturbance. Okay, I have a call, that's why. Now see what happened on drag start. Okay, dragging is start. On drag, I want to say end. On drag end. End is where, over here. Okay, I'm clicking on the on drag end. After that, inside of the double quotes, we need to write a console. Okay, after dot log. Okay, inside of the bracket, I want to write over here a dragging. Okay, dragging end. Okay, now let's start this. Let's check also how we done that. Okay, now see the code perfectly, and let's go to the again back to the our code. Now see when I am starting to the drag, see it start, and when I am releasing, what, it's a end. So this is exactly the coding. Right now when I'm starting to the drag, see it's start, and when I'm releasing, see it's end. So that is exactly we are putting to the over here drag. See there is a drag start and the drag end. Okay, on drag start, on drag end. We are putting to the together. We can use to the separate also, but when we are doing to the project, we need to put to the many stuff together. That's why I'm teaching to that also. After that drop means what? I can put to the over there something drop stuff. Okay. Now see, suppose I'm writing over here on drop. Okay, okay, guys, see there are a lot of different stuff we have. If we can go into the if you are writing as it is code also, it will be work properly. Okay. Now you can go by yourself and you can find out and let me know if you have any queries and questions. You can text me or you can call me also. Okay. I will solve. I can clear your doubt. Okay. Now this is called the mouse event. Okay. After that we have to the media event. Media event means what? Suppose I'm adding the audio or the video. What happened? So what happened? I can when I start that video or when I pause that video, what happened? I can see the exactly the event. Right now, without wasting, let's start that. How we can do that? See, first, suppose I want to take one media. Okay, media means what? Suppose I'm taking to the something video. Okay, now see video tag we have. Okay, let me try it over here, video tag. Okay, I want to give to the path for my video. Suppose, let me see, I have any video. Guys, give me the second. Okay, I have the one video. So what happened, guys? I putted the video, this video inside of my folder. If you don't know how to put video, I already teach you in the previous section. You can watch that video in the video tag, how we can take the video inside of your folder. Okay, now you can see over there. Now what happened? I'm starting with the videos. Okay, I put it the one video tag. After that, I want to give to the path over here. Inside of that, using by src, I'm using dot slash because I want to open this directory. Okay, test directory I want to open. That's why I'm using over here dot slash, and after this over here is the one video that is called what? Sky Vision College. And don't forget to use to the over here controllers. Okay, I'm using controllers like for pausing purpose or stopping purpose. I want to use that. Right now let's go to the over here. You can see there is one video we have. Okay, now see when I'm starting that, is it started, right? Isn't it? Okay, now when I want to stop, I can stop. But see, when I'm start, when I'm stop, what happen? I cannot able to see any event listening over here. Okay, there is no any kind of stuff we can see over here. Is it are that particular person are playing or not playing? We didn't see anything. Okay, so what we are doing, we are going inside of this only the in video tag, video opening tag, and we are writing some stuff. Which stuff we are putting over here? That is called, let me check what is the listener we are using. Okay, the listener we are using on play and the on pause. Okay, let's check. On play means what? When people are clicking on the play video, we can see on the in console. Okay, so on play, see on play I am using, and another one I am using on click. Sorry, on click not on pause. Okay, on pause I'm using. See two different event listener I'm using over here. Okay, control is our controls. Okay, which one? The pause and that one. Okay, now see we are going over here on play button, on play listener, and we are writing to the message inside of the console. So console dot log. Okay, I want to say video video start, or I'm over here inside of pause I'm writing console dot log inside of the bracket, inside of the parenthesis I want to write over here what I want to write, video pause, video pause. Okay, done. We are routed over here. Control S save. Go back to again your video. Right now, see over here, right hand side. Okay, when I'm starting to the video, you can see video start. Okay, when I am pausing that, you can see it is saying I pause. When I'm starting again back, you can say it's a start. When I am saying your what habit, it is the pause. So this is exactly we can using to the event listener inside of the media. Means I have the video. Even if you have the audio,